Third-party cookies are disappearing, and publishers face a challenge: how to maintain ad revenue while respecting user privacy. Today we'll explore Prebid's User ID module, a solution that's reshaping the future of digital advertising. We'll show you how to choose the right strategy for your website and maximize your revenue potential. Think of Prebid's User ID module as your digital passport system. Instead of relying on third-party cookies to track users across websites, it creates a unified, privacy-compliant identification framework. This system works seamlessly across multiple platforms while adhering to global privacy standards like GDPR and CCPA. But what makes it so valuable for publishers? Let's talk numbers. Publishers using effective user identification systems see significantly higher CPMs. Why? Because advertisers value certainty. When they can confidently identify their audience, they bid higher. It's that simple. Without robust user identification, you're leaving money on the table. So how does the Prebid ID module work? Let's break it down in a 4-step process. First, when a visitor lands on your site, prebid.js activates the User ID module. Then, the module generates a unique identifier within your domain. Next, this ID travels securely to demand partners during bid requests. And finally, armed with this information, advertisers optimize their bids for your inventory. Prebid's User ID module supports several widely adopted identity solutions. Some of the most popular ones include Unified ID 2.0, an industry standard that provides encrypted, privacy-focused identification across the advertising ecosystem. LiveRamp's RampID, known for connecting offline and online data points for precise user identification. ID5's Universal ID, powerful in European markets, designed specifically for the open web. Others include Lotame Panorama ID, Audigent Hadron ID, Pair ID by Google, 33 Across ID, Live Intent, and Connect ID, and many, many more. Now here's where strategy becomes crucial. Smart implementation of User ID modules isn't about using every available solution. It's about choosing the right combination for your unique needs. Think of it as building a custom toolkit where each tool serves a specific purpose. Different ID solutions excel in different scenarios. Some perform better in specific geographic regions. Others are more effective in certain browsers like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. And some solutions specialize in mobile or iOS user identification. The key is understanding your audience and choosing solutions that complement each other. By strategically selecting complementary solutions rather than overlapping ones, you create a comprehensive identification system that maximizes your reach while maintaining efficiency. The key is to analyze your audience data and choose solutions that fill specific gaps in your user identification strategy. This is where Setupad Self-Serve becomes your powerful ally. Our platform gives you unprecedented control over your identity solutions partners. You can enable or disable a partner with a single click on the Setupad control panel. Adjust the parameters of partners that provide more customization. Monitor the performance between geos, devices, and browsers. Publishers should find the optimal list of partners that don't overlap in their performance while keeping the total number low. Keeping less than 10 partners is recommended to avoid impact on website loading speed. With over 40% of web traffic already cookieless, privacy isn't just a buzzword, it's a business imperative. The User ID module integrates seamlessly with content management platforms, ensuring full compliance with global privacy regulations, transparent user opt-out mechanisms, and ready adaptation to evolving privacy standards. The impact on your header bidding setup is substantial. You'll see higher match rates leading to better bid prices, comprehensive user profiles across platforms, and a future-proof advertising strategy that adapts as technology evolves. The shift away from the third-party cookies isn't coming. It's here. Publishers who adapt early will thrive, while others risk falling behind. With Prebid's User ID module and Setupad Self-Serve's flexible implementation options, you're not just preparing for the future, you're shaping it. Ready to optimize your ad revenue in the privacy-first era? Contact us to learn how Setupad Self-Serve can transform your website's monetization strategy.